Missed a payment? Don't stress. Although late payments can hurt your credit score, it's not the end of the world. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to the Biznezz Academy. Welcome back, guys. Listen, on this channel, we're about the buzz in the biz. We help small business owners. We help just regular people who are trying to get their personal credit together. And once you get your personal credit together, what we do is we help you start your small business and help you establish business credit so you can grow and scale and access funds. Listen, we are your go-to hub. And fellow entrepreneurs, welcome back. Listen, 85% of you guys have been stalking my channel, but you're not subscribed. What's holding you back? On this channel, it's me giving you nuggets to help you. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and welcome back. The good news is, with time and the right plan, you can improve your credit. And in today's video, I'm going to give you steps and how to improve your credit after you've missed one payment. You guys listen, perfect credit is key. We're all human, and from time to time, we forget to pay something on time. I don't want you to feel discouraged. I just want you to get your pen and paper ready to take notes, because I'm going to share with you the steps. Step number 1, catch up on late payments. Set reminders and pay off late payments quickly. So important, guys. And always pay at least the minimum payment. Now, I would recommend you pay a little more, but if that's not possible, pay at least the minimum that's due. Step number 2, contact your creditor. Explain the situation, see if they have a payment plan, a lower interest rate they can offer, or if maybe they can put that payment that was missed on the back end in the event you don't have enough funds. But it's always good to contact your creditor to at least have that relationship. Oftentimes they'll work with you if it's the first time. But if you ignore them and you ignore the payment, you think it's going to go away, guess what? That's only hindering you from improving your credit score. So when you speak to your creditor, you can also ask them for a goodwill adjustment. Granted that you are current, meaning this is the first time that you've ever missed a payment and your payments in the past have been current and on time. Oftentimes they will offer a goodwill adjustment, meaning that missed payment won't blemish your record and they will remove that. Now, I can tell you from personal experience, that's happened to me when I was in college with my car. What I did is I spoke with the car dealership, actually the creditor department, and I explained my situation, and they gave me a goodwill adjustment, and they put the late payment behind, adding another payment, and they removed that blemish from my record, and that was my saving grace. Once you speak to these creditors and explain, most likely they will work with you. So speak to your creditor and explain your situation. Step number 3, make a debt repayment plan. This, what I would call, is like a snowball effect, meaning take all of your accounts, pay off the low balances first, and whatever you paid as a minimum payment to those, then you attack the next account that has a lower account balance. And once you pay off that, then you use the funds from the account 1 that you paid off, account 2, those minimum payments, you add that on to the minimum payment of the third account, and then you snowball. For example, if you have 3 credit cards and they all have a balance of $1,000, the first credit card, for example, if that has a balance of $200 and you have finally paying that $200 off, so that minimum payment, say if it's $25, you take that $25 that you would pay the first credit card that you've paid off, and you would take that $25 and you would put it towards, say, for the second credit card, that minimum payment is $25. So you pay that $25. For the second credit card, it would be $50 that you're paying towards paying that balance off. And once the second credit card is paid off, you take 1 and 2 of what those minimum payments to the third minimum payment, and you snowball it, so you pay it off. Step number 4, use a secure credit card to show that you are responsible. What that means is you will have a credit card in which you put funds on and show over time that you're paying on time. And oftentimes that creditor will extend credit to you. So that's the way that you can show payment history, payment consistency, so a secure credit card. The next step is to monitor your report. I would recommend that you subscribe to a credit monitoring company to make sure that everything is consistent. Check it quarterly. You want to make sure that everything is consistent and there are no discrepancies. And if there are discrepancies, you can dispute those. We're going for repairing and improving. And the last step, number 6, is to be patient. Credit recovery takes time. Let me say this. Oftentimes, people are so impatient. It takes years to mess up your credit, but the expectation is unrealistic in that many people think in 30 days of one payment that all of a sudden your credit should improve. And that's not the case. Be patient, be consistent, do all of the steps that I have mentioned in this video, and I guarantee you will fix and improve your credit. Now, if you say, I don't have time to do that, well, you're in luck. You can reach out to me, get on a free discovery call with me, and find out how I can help you enhance your credit, how I can help you establish business credit for your small business. So once you have improved your credit, you can establish build business credit, and access the funds that you need for that business. Click the link below to get on a call with me. And you guys, listen, if there are any topics or any questions you have, click below and I'll definitely get back with you. Listen, when you win, I win, and we win together. Credit is king. You need to improve your credit. Until next time, be great. I love you.